Let's get something straight. I'm from Texas, and being from Texas, there's a level of pride about things, right? There's a level of pride. You say Texas, there's a hurricane coming. Bring it. You say Texas, there's a forest fire. We'll fight it. You say Texas, what if somebody breaks into your house? Well, we're protected by God and guns, and they're probably going to meet both. If you say Texas, diabetes and obesity is on the rise, bring us some sweet tea and some gravy. But if you say Texas, it's going to snow, we're not okay. What do you do with that? We're not okay.